Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Avalon. First, try your key fob. Press the unlock button to see if the doors respond. If not, locate the physical key hidden within the fob and insert it into the driver's side door lock. Turn the key to the left to unlock. Always check all doors and the trunk, as one might be unlocked already. If your key fob isn't working, the battery might be dead. Most fobs use a small coin cell battery, easily replaceable. If that doesn't work, a professional locksmith can often open your car without damage. Many roadside assistance programs also offer lockout services, so check your policy for coverage before calling. For emergency entry, you can try a wedge and a long-reach tool to gently pry open the top of the door frame and press the interior unlock button. Alternatively, a slim gem can be used to manipulate the internal locking mechanism, but this requires skill and can cause damage. Calling a professional locksmith is always the safest option to prevent harm to your vehicle. To prevent future lockouts, always make it a habit to carry a spare key, perhaps with a trusted friend or in a secure location. Before closing your door, quickly confirm your keys are in hand, not left inside. Regularly check your key fob battery and replace it every 1 to 2 years to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.